Top books to read as an investor. Number 1, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book provides a detailed difference between working for money and making money work for you. It offers an insight into financial independence and creating wealth via numerous assets. Number 2, The Warren Buffett Way by Robert G. Hagstrom. This popular book on investment provides crucial details about long-term investments. It shares Warren Buffett's successful investment strategies and principles. This book also has several investment-related queries such as how to overcome your emotions or tackle the fear while investing. Number 3, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Top investor Peter Lynch penned down his successful style of investment in this book. It provides essential details on how to choose a stock and how to invest. It also talks about the dynamics of market. These are some of the best books on investment that an early investor should definitely read to understand how to invest. If you like this video, then don't forget to follow us and get a grip on your money.